Alright, so these are the guitar parts for Look to the Sun. The intro, after we've gone through the first chorus, you can think of it as kind of like a D suspended shape. So we're playing. On the 7th and 9th, so. So that would be your instrumentals, and then for the pre-chorus, I think of it as you're kind of like in an F shape, and we're just using our pinky to bring the third over. So there's our F shape, there's our B chord. So kind of real time. So that'd be your pre-chorus, and then for the chorus, we're just doing a high kind of bar chord. Here's our 4 chord, here's our 1 chord, and then our 5 chords kind of like in the D shape. So. And then for the instrumental after the pre-chorus, it's just an open E to a B to an F sharp. And then the second time through, I like to follow a snare drum. Then the chorus. I think that's all the parts, and I hope it was helpful.